Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Please hit the like button, do subscribe and please leave a comment below. In today's video, I'm going to show you the recipe of a very creamy roasted pumpkin soup. So let's get started. I have taken here a cute little pumpkin which is 550 gram in weight, from which you can prepare a soup just enough for 2 to 3 people. Make sure you wash your pumpkin and then cut it into 4 so that it's easy to de-seed the pumpkin. Remove all the seeds and now you have to cut it further into thin slices. In this way it's quite compact to peel off the skin. After we are done with the cleaning, I cut it into small cubes, which is good for marination and for quick cooking. Take 1 large onion and chop it into large cubes. There is no rule about this because finally we are going to grind it, but onions are preferably little bit larger pieces because we don't want to burn them. Take 1 whole garlic, just cut the top and use it as it is. It's time to do the roasting because this is roasted pumpkin soup. I lined my baking tray with a baking paper. This is optional, I just don't want to spoil my tray. Arrange 3 main ingredients on the tray and drizzle it with olive oil. I used about 1/4 cup of olive oil and then add peppercorns. You can add as much as spicy as you need your soup to be. And mix it well with your hands. I just realized that I forgot to add salt. So now I am adding salt and I am mixing again with my hands to coat each and every piece with the marination. This goes into the oven for exactly 60 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Look at the roasted pumpkin. Onions are well caramelized and the garlic is soft and golden brown. If it's perfectly done, when you squeeze the garlic, the claws will fall off without any effort. Add the roasted stuffs into the blender and pour 1 cup of stock. I am using beef stock here. You can use chicken broth, vegetable broth or just water and blend it. I added 1 more cup of beef stock and 1 cup of fresh milk and blended it until I get a smooth puree. Pour it into a pan and heat the soup. I had some puree sticking on the blender jar, so I added 1 more cup of milk to remove it. If you need the soup to be less thick, you can go ahead and add as much as water you need. Mine was perfect for me. I have already shown the way of making almond and cashew cream in my broccoli soup video, so you can check it in the iCard above. I soaked some almonds and blended it with some water. Link to that video is given in the description box below. Boil the soup and it's time for tasting. My portion was 2 ladles of this creamy soup with few teaspoons of almond cream. Swirl to decorate. Garnish with some pumpkin seeds and a little bit of chili flake. Just look how beautiful it is. Enjoy your soup with croutons or baguette. So guys, hope you would try this recipe. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. What kind of recipes would you like to watch in my channel in future? Please feel free to comment your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Stay safe and stay healthy.